this is Brooke Sobel with Refined Relics in Shingle Springs, California. I'm going to show you briefly how to achieve this look, this distress look, using a technique called wet distressing. So I've painted this dresser in 2 coats of white paint. I let the paint dry, but it's only been dry about an hour. If you let it dry much more than that, if you let it dry like overnight, it's just going to be harder and require more muscle work to get the distressing technique. So as soon as it's dry, you can start distressing away. So I've got here just your basic cup of water and a 2-sided kitchen sponge, and just wet the sponge a little. Shake it off because you don't need to make a big fat mess. And then just start wiping on the edges of your piece. Now, if you want, you can hit, some of the areas in the middle if you like that really distressed look. But it's a little bit more common and appreciated, I guess, if you don't go too crazy. It just kind of really depends. What do you want to do? So after you've wiped it with the scrubby side, then you flip the sponge over. When you wipe it with this side, it's going to take off even more paint. So always keep that in mind when you're distressing. It's going to take off more than you think. So you can always go back and take more off, but you don't want to really have to go back and add more paint. That's a pain. So just, go with a light hand and go carefully. So here's a drawer I haven't done yet. So just kind of do some scrubbing there until you can see. I'm going to wet this a little bit. Until you can actually see the paint starting to come off. Get the edges. This one's being a little more stubborn. But again, remember that once you flip the sponge around, it's going to take off more. See that? It's like a thing of beauty. Magic. Sometimes I like to get in here where, I know the hardware is going to go. Just add a little something. It just kind of depends how much distressing you want and what kind of look you're going for. Okay, that's it. Easy peasy. Thanks for watching. This is Brooke with Refined Relics. Talk to you next time.